So guys, your favorite announcer is back. Kentuckiest Fried Chicken is back with his pick of the day. Sumo the Dumo. You'll see his stats right in the right. And we're going to get right into it, but let me show you my partner here.
Grilled chicken. And we're going to have ourselves the chicken stick fighting. Let's see your stats right here. And here we go.
Get right into it. 3, 2, 1, start!
So right now.
Oh, Sumo the Dumo.
Come on, chicken stick. You got this.
Sumo the Dumo. Just take a good swipe. Bam, bam, like that. Wow, just swipe at them.
Oh, look at that stare down. That's
See that stance? That stance from Sumo the Dumo. It looks like he's ready to pounce.
Oh, chicken stick. Come on. You gotta get behind him. Doing the spin tactic.
Sumo the Dumo's just sitting there, waiting for his prey to come at him.
Reverse him.
Takes a quite critical hit.
I hope he didn't break his nose. Another stare down.
I see it. Wagging their tails like they're ready for this.
Now it was a misstrike. Oh my god.
Oh, man. These are some violent competitors today.
Chicken stick. Oh my god. Chicken stick almost broke frickin' Sumo the Dumo's neck. And that was round 1.
Too close.
3, 2, 1, start. And we're back. Flip.
He's just sitting there.
What's going on?
Wait.
Whoa.
You see that coming?
Trying to distract Sumo the Dumo. We got that. How many stare downs have they been in this match so far?
I don't know. They've just kept looking at each other.
Goes
for the head attack. Hits him with his lucky right hand. Or paw, how you would say. Another stare down.
That neck shot.
Turning his back. Sumo the Dumo's got very good flexibility.
Apparently he's getting clean, getting ready. Oh, wait, what's going on? Sniffing the floor?
Trying to sniff for his prey, probably.
It's very interesting. Sumo the Dumo's smacking chicken stick in the head. And off he goes for round 2. Well
guys, I think that's very much the end. Let us know in the comments who you thought won, either Sumo the Dumo or Chicken Stick. But we think it was
Sumo the Dumo. Of course. The chicken stick
got a critical hit on him, but
didn't knock him out.
Didn't knock him out. Sumo the Dumo, on the other hand,
had so many hits. Oh my god.
Man, and he was just laying there too, like it was nothing.
Well, no wonder why his name's Sumo the Dumo.
Make sure to subscribe if you haven't already, so you're not missing another video of this.
And make sure to check out our other channel,
RBJ Fishing. Hit the bell so you're never left out of every video. And leave a like.
And share this video to your friends and family.
Hope you guys had a great time.
See ya!